So here is a great problem for you guys to practice parabolas. We have a rocket that is launched from a platform, and they give you the equation h of x equals all of that. Well, I told you guys during class, always use decimals so it can help you understand the equation you're looking at. Well, how about we graph this on decimals then? Let's go ahead and do h of x. Let's call it h of x. It's h parentheses of x equals. And the equation was -4 parentheses x plus 2. Oops, not like that. X plus 2. There we go. Close the parentheses and then x minus 18. So now notice that the parabola doesn't look too well on my screen. That's why we gotta fix. Look, we gotta fix our window. So when you go to toolbox, we need to fix the height. So let's fix the y. How about we make the y, I don't know, 100? Almost good. Let's make it 200. What about 200? Almost great. Let's go 400. Who knows? It's a bit safe. Look at that. Now the whole screen looks. If you want to make your parabola look even better, we could fix the x's too. Let's go with -10. How about that? Look at that. And let's go to +10. Would that work? No. Let's go to +20 then. +20. Hey, look at that. It's perfect. Actually, yeah, it's perfect. It should be fine. So here's our parabola. Let's get all the major points. Let's get all these points on our screen here. So these are all the important points we need to write. And I already copied this on my notes for your convenience right there. Well, let's answer the first question. What is the height of the rocket at launch? Well, at launch, remember guys, we're drawing a picture of a rocket. The rocket was on a platform here. That's the platform. How do we know it's there, guys? Because remember, it's the rocket prior to blasting off. So before blasting off, the time was 0. The rocket had not gone off yet. So when the time is 0, how high was the rocket? Remember, your x is time, your y is the height. So how tall was it? You guessed it. It's the 144. 144 what? Meters. That's it. Now, how many seconds after launch will the rocket hit the ground? Well, look at the rocket here. We have the rocket. It's going to go up, 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 up. Then gravity is going to pull it down, 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 down. And when is it going to be hitting the floor? When the height is 0, isn't it? So we're not asking about the height, though. We're asking how many seconds will it take? Well, to hit the floor, it's going to be 18 what? 18 seconds. 18 seconds. And let's go to question number 3. How many seconds after being launched will the rocket reach its maximum height? Now look at this. If this is the rocket going up in the air, when does it reach its maximum? Well, we have an 8 and a 400. We have the x and the y. The question was, how many seconds after launch? Which one shows seconds, the x or the y? Look at them. The x shows time. That's what we want. So how many seconds did it take? It took 8 seconds. That's it. It took 8 seconds to reach its maximum. And finally, what is the maximum height? Now, we talked about this. The x is time, so the y has to be the height. So at this point, 400 what? 400 meters. 400 meters was the maximum height the rocket ever got. You see, guys, in reality, this kind of homework does not necessarily mean you have to write math. You just have to analyze the graphs you put on decimals. Do that and you'll be fine. And this is how you solved parabola word problems.